Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to set two-step verification on Instagram. If you want to set two-step verification on Instagram, so you just need to follow some steps. First, you have to open your Instagram app. Just open it. And here, you have to tap on your profile icon in the right bottom corner of the screen. Just tap on it. And now just select the three dots in the top corner of the screen. Just tap here. And here, you have to select account center, and here you have the option of password and security. Tap on it, and here you can see here's the option of two-factor authentication. Just tap on it. Now choose your Instagram account, and here you have to select how you want to get authentication. I'm going to choose SMS or WhatsApp. Just choose it, then tap on next, and here you have to enter your phone number. As you can see, I have entered. So tap on done and then tap on next, and after that you will get a code on your WhatsApp. Here's the code. Just enter here, and then tap on next, and after that you will successfully enable two-step verification on your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.